So number-based systems, we're going to be looking at the different ways of numbering, and then we're going to see how to convert from one numbering system to another numbering system. Different civilizations have their different ways of counting. Okay, so we have in our modern society we count from 0 to 9. The numbers in our modern society starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the numbers in our numbering system. Any other number you can think of is a combination of these. So if I want to write 3,528, 3,528. This number I generated is gotten by combining numbers from this numbering system. So when we are looking at numbering system, we are looking at all the numbers that are in a particular system. And not every system has 10 numbers. Some systems have 2 numbers, some systems have 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 6 numbers, and so on. Okay, so we are going to see how to identify a particular numbering system. That means the different types of numbering systems. We're going to see how to convert from one numbering system to another numbering system, and how to add values in different numbering systems. Add values, subtract, multiply, and divide. Let's write what numbering systems are. Let's write that down. So number base refers to the number of digits in a numbering system. So there's a difference between digits and a number, right? So if I have 421, this is a number. 421 is a number made up of 3 digits. The digits are 4, 2, and 1. So 421 is actually a number, but this number is made up of 3 digits. So in a numbering system, or a number base refers to the number of digits in a numbering system, right? So when you look at a numbering system, if you identify the digits in that numbering system, that tells you the number base you're working with. Okay, so now let's see the different types of numbering systems. Or number bases. Let's look at the types of number bases. The first one is base 2. So when you have base 2, it means that there are only 2 numbers in this numbering system. In this number base, there are only 2 numbers in this numbering system. What are the 2 numbers? 0 and 1. Okay, so this numbering system has only 2 numbers. The 2 numbers are 0 and 1. Now, most of our computers, laptops, phones, the numbering system is in base 2. That's why when you are formatting a laptop, or you are trying to configure a laptop, if the system is booting, you are going to see 2 numbers moving along the screen. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, just 2 numbers. You're not going to see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and all the other numbers. Any system that works on this numbering system does not recognize what 3 is, does not recognize what 4 is, does not recognize what 5 is, and so on. So we are going to put in brackets our computers work on this numbering system. We have base 3. Base 3 has 3 numbers. The numbers are 0, 1, 2. Base 4 has 4 numbers. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Base 5 has 5 numbers, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you observe, you see that for a particular base, the highest number in that base is 1 less than the value of the base. So base 5, the highest number is 4. Base 4, the highest number is 3. Base 3, the highest number is 2. So because of space, I'm not going to write base 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm only going to move to base 10. So base 10 has 10 numbers. The numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? So most of us use base 10. I don't know about China, but most persons in Africa, in the US, in the UK, and other parts of Europe use base 10 numbers, right? So whenever you are using your phone to do a calculation or your calculator to do a calculation, your calculator understands base 2. That means your calculator only understands 0 and 1. These are the two numbers your calculator understands. But you as a human being, you understand base 10. So whenever you are using your calculator, there is an interaction or there is a conversion between base 10 and base 2. You as the human being is using base 10. The calculator is working on base 2. So whenever you type a particular number, before the calculator is going to work on it, the calculator has to convert it from base 10 to base 2. Then the calculator will solve the question and then convert it to base 10 for you to see the final answer. So we are going to see the process of converting from base 10 to any of these bases and how to convert from any of these bases to base 10. Okay, so that's what we're going to do next. Converting from base 10 to other bases and converting from other bases to base 10.